Hi, today you are at Radisson Blu Marathali. I'm Chef Devashish. Advance Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Today I'm going to show you one duck preparation. Today I'm going to show you one duck preparation. That's your seared duck breast with confit egg bricks with orange sauce, beetroot and your black balsamic puree and potato palo. First, I'll show you how to marinate your duck breast. That will take some olive oil and mustard to marinate it. For marination, duck breast will be using mustard paste, some olive oil, some salt, and some black pepper. This will mix it up very nice way so that it mixes well. Once this vinaigrette is ready, we'll apply on duck breast. So this is my duck breast. So both my breast is marinated nicely. Now I'm taking them to put it for skimmer 1 hour. Now I'm starting my second step, that is putting for the confit leg. Put it in the confit so that I can pull them off at soft duck leg meat. So for that confit we need duck fat, which I put it in the pan. Then in this I'll be putting my herbs, that is garlic and thyme. In this I'll immerse my duck leg. And I'll cover this with silver foil so it cooks evenly in a slow heat. Cover it up nicely. So that all the steam and heat remain inside. I'm putting it in a slow heat. It will take around 45 minutes to 1 hour to cook slowly. This temperature will not go more than beyond 70 degrees. So it is cooked slowly. That's the process of confit. So dish that today we are cooking, it's a French dish which is most popular during the Christmas time. The duck that goes well with your orange and any root vegetables and sweets. So root vegetable part we are using potato, we are using balsamic and beetroot reduction and orange sauce. That's a classic combination for your duck. Now we are going to do beetroot and balsamic reduction. For that we need beetroot juice and we need balsamic that will be cooked slowly. So I'm adding in a pan beetroot juice. I'm adding some balsamic in it. So beetroot has a sweet tendency of texture, taste is sweet. So I'm adding balsamic, so it will giving little bit of acidic power. So that will be going very well with duck. Now I am putting this one to reduce further slowly to make it gel. So gel basically we need reduce part of it. In that we'll add some thickening agent that's called xanthan. We'll set it up and then we blend it. So if you want to see my xanthan, this is the texture we use for thickening part. So use this, you will to hold the molecular and water part so that it will go very well. It's giving you smoothness and the holding of your liquid part. Now I'm starting with my sauce part, that is orange sauce. That's a classic combination with duck and orange. So for that you need fresh orange juice, you need some chicken stock, you need salad, you need some orange zest, and I'll be using white wine along with this. I'm starting preparing my sauce. So you need a pan, heat it up slowly, put some oil and saute your salads. The salads has to be translucent color, that is it will cook whitish around, it will take a minute to 2 minutes to cook it. My salads are sauteed nicely. You can see I'm adding on this white wine to deglaze it. So wine is there, it will start deglazing slowly to evaporate all the alcohol part and remain their acidic and flavorful things. Once my wine is evaporate around 70%, then I'll add my orange juice. So I'm just waiting for around 2 minutes to evaporate all my white wine. As you can see, it's almost reduced little bit. Acidic part is there, only alcohol has evaporated. I'm adding my fresh orange juice in it. Fresh orange juice. I'll be adding some chicken stock, little bit of herbs, that is my fresh thyme, and let's reduce around 1/3. This process has to be done in slowly, or else your orange juice will tend to become bitter. So this process always done in slowly. So I'm keeping my third accompaniment sauce part here, so it will reduce slowly. Next step that will prepare the potato accompaniment preparation, that is palo potato. Third, we start with the third step, that is potato palo. For this you need some sliced potatoes. Cut it with cutter. This is the cutter I use, you can choose as per your requirement. And this is the mold we will be using for this palo. It's a classic potato dish which is cooked with a duck fat. So its outer ring will be crunchy, inside it will be softer. It's perfect for a duck preparation. So for this you need to be marinated with a little duck fat. You have to marinate it nicely. Then you have to arrange one after each nicely. You can see this is how it will be arranged. Now this I'm going to put it in a mold. So this is the mold I'm using. On top you can put some more. So this need to be set it in the fridge for some time, so the butter little bit set, all your good fat is set. Once this is set properly, then we'll put it for frying. Okay, I'm resting this potato for half an hour in the fridge so that it's become set, then I can easily fry it. This is the pulled duck leg confit. So I'm going to prepare the brick out of it. In this I'll be adding some chopped herbs, that's your thyme, we'll put nicely some thyme, some salt, some pepper. In that I'll add some raw duck mousse. That's your duck meat that I pasted up with little bit of cream and egg. So this is the unique way of preparing your bricks. This is not the authentic part. That's as a chef, I always do some trick. This is the trick of your pulled duck leg bricks. So I'm set it up in a tray nicely the way you want it. You can give them a shape. And I'm going to cook it in the oven steaming mode for 10 minutes. This my duck bricks are going in the steaming mode. So both are getting steamed. It will take 10 minutes your bricks and that will take another 10 to 15 minutes. So that's the plan. So once your duck breast is going to be finished, 10 minutes left, I am putting my confit part. So now here I have to look at here how my sauce is getting reduced. So once it is reduced, we'll strain it. We're waiting for it. Now I'm going to take out my potato which I put it in the fridge to set it up. Let's see how it's done. Yes, it is ready to fry. So this is the things. Goose fat is set now. I've added extra goose fat in this where I'm going to fry it. What you have to do? You have to cover your half of this mold with goose fat and then I'll put it for frying. Some more goose fat I have to add on, so we'll adjust as required. Then I'll take it too. So as you see, I cover it up with half the the mold with goose fat. So let it fry in the medium to high heat so that its outer pulp become crunchy and inside it will be soft. Now you can see the bubbles have started coming up. So it start my cooking. Another 10, hardly it will take 5 to 10 minutes to cook all around nicely golden brown in color. So I can just slowing it up little bit. After 5 minutes you'll see it's nice golden brown up. My sauce also get reduced. So I strain it and put it back again. So sauce, orange sauce is get reduced nicely. So need to little bit more reduce and saucy consistency. So before we finish it, we'll finish it with a little bit of butter. So we'll just wait for some more time. Now I'll see how my duck is working. Our final segment has come. This is breast that we taken out from the steam. This is my pre-cut duck confit leg and mousse bricks. I'm going to cook them little bit so that it's become golden brown in color and duck skin also become crispy. Then we'll start our presentation. So for this we'll start with a cold pan where there is no oil required. Duck breast has enough number of fat, enough amount of fat. So we'll start slowly melting it and it will give us a golden brown color. Once the fat started melting, I'll add little bit of thyme and little bit of butter. Thyme and some clarified butter. By the time skin getting crisp, I'll use my brick to give color. Skin getting crisp and golden brown in color. My bricks also got color nicely. My duck is I'll put this duck into the oven for 105 degree for 7 to 10 minutes. When minutes is done, our duck also ready. So let's see. So it's cooked nicely. I'm going to slice it. So my duck breast is ready, my bricks are ready, potato is ready, accompaniments are ready, the reduction I put it, that is also ready. Now we are going to slice that duck and we are going to plate it. So it is nicely medium. See the juiciness. Now we are going to start our plating. So my duck breast is ready, my bricks are ready, accompaniment ready, which is potato palo, burnt oranges, some but Brussels sprout and sauce also getting ready. This is my reduction of beetroot and balsamic. So start off with balsamic and beetroot reduction. You can place your potato palo over here. Some of your oranges. One or two Brussels sprout. I will place my bricks and definitely your duck breast. So this is it, duck fully presented. Once again, happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Radisson Blu Maratali. Wear gloves, wear mask, keep social distancing.
When we say the word Christmas, typically a very holiday feeling comes into mind, and I think these guys have set up a perfect menu as such, in terms of even the layout and the presentation. It was spot on, and yes, it had what I felt was the menu had something for everybody, right, from all age groups. So yes, I think it has been great as such. Coming from more than 8 years now, and these guys have been impeccable in terms of service, in terms of setting up the ambience, in terms of the quality of service and food altogether. So yeah, we have been very happy, and it has been a great experience.
We are all excited this festive season. December has been a great month for us, and this festive season we have been preparing since the month of November. We have been gearing up, we have been brainstorming with each of our departments, especially the F&B service and the kitchen team. And we are very excited, serving the best of food to our guests for Christmas Eve and Christmas brunch. And a great year 2023 brunch is also looking fantastic. And we all are hoping to have a great year ahead. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year to one and all.